Hello, my name is Valencia, and I'm the owner of the Angelite Store and the Angelite School of Metaphysics in Berkeley, California. Today, I will be talking about crystals and how to use them. Customers often ask me, I know crystals have a lot of benefits, but how do you use them? Well, you can always carry them with you. If you put them in your pocket, be sure you don't have them mixed together with your loose change, because coins tend to soak up the energy of the people who use them. You could put your crystals in a pouch or put them in your pocket free of other items. The problem with putting crystals in your pocket is they have a tendency to fall out, and for women who wear dresses, they often don't have pockets. A good thing to do is to wear your crystals. These elastic bracelets are popular in my store because they are easy to slip on and are very affordable. They come in tumblestone styles or more polished with round beads. So if you want more personal power and strength, you can slip on a tiger eye bracelet. If protection is what you seek, you can wear a black obsidian bracelet. If you have a collection of crystals and you know how to wire wrap them, you can make them into jewelry, or you can drill it and glue a bail to it to make it into a pendant. Here we have a blue lace agate pendant, which is ideal for communication. For added benefits, you can place it close by your throat. At our Angelite store, we have beautiful pendants that are rough and natural, as well as polished and faceted into lovely sterling silver jewelry. We have rings with every imaginable crystal that you can wear. Not only are they beautiful, but by wearing jewelry, your body and skin comes into contact with them, so you are absorbing the quality and essence of the crystal. Speaking of essence, you could use crystals to create gem essence by putting them in spring water and drinking the quality of the crystal. 1 or 2 pieces should be sufficient. Place your cleansed crystal in a glass bowl or jar with spring water. If you are reusing a jar, be sure to remove all labels from it so it won't distort your intention. Or you can add your affirmation to it to further enhance the crystal. Here we have sunstone with an affirmation, I'm a creative person. I always have the confidence to let my light shine. You can cover it and let it soak overnight, or you can leave it outside for the sun to charge. If you are using the gem essence for a feminine condition, you may want the light of the moon to charge it. Afterwards, remove the crystal. Slowly slip your water. When you make your gem essence, don't use crystals that are too soft. For instance, selenite will dissolve in the water if you soak it too long. Don't use crystals that are artificially colorized because the dyes can be toxic. And don't use crystals that have a high lead or copper content. Most blue-green crystals receive their color from copper, so don't use azurite, malachite, chrysocolla, turquoise. Members of the quartz family tends to be safe. If in doubt, check a mineral textbook. You can put your crystals in a mesh bag and place them in your bath water to absorb its energy. You can use rose quartz for love and beauty, shungite for detoxification, and green aventurine for health and well-being. You can also make aroma mists with your crystals. At Angelite, we hand blend more than a dozen different aroma mists by blessing and charging the crystals in water, removing them, and then adding essential oils and flower essence. One of our most popular mists is our Angel Blessing Mist, which we charge with Angelite, a crystal which helps you connect with the angelic realm, and the Archangel Michael Mist, which we bless and charge with black tourmaline for protection. You can also make body, bath, and massage oils with your crystals. Here we have a house blend chakra oils. We include a crystal that corresponds to the chakra, as well as the oils that would benefit them. So if you need empowerment, you can anoint your solar plexus with the 3rd chakra oil while saying an affirmation such as, I exude personal power and self-confidence. You can also lay these chakra crystal stones directly on your chakras. With larger crystals, you can place it in your home to charge your space. Smoky quartz detoxifies and clears negative energies. It blocks harmful vibrations from electromagnetic frequency, so you can put one near your computer to block the EMFs. Yellow crystals brings mental clarity. You can place yellow crystals in your office or desk to stimulate the intellect. Here we have citrine points, clusters, geodes. This is a yellow calcite sphere and generator. Rose quartz adds the vibration of kindness and love. Here we have generators, spheres, pyramids, heart shape. Any space can benefit with having the unconditional loving energy of rose quartz. Amethyst promotes spirituality. Here we have spheres, clusters, geodes, generators, candle holder. You can place them on your altar, meditation room, or anywhere you desire to have peace and serenity. Clear quartz brings purification, and because it is clear, you can also program it with what you would like to create. I surround my home with a white light of protection. You can take these crystal wands and create a grid of protective white light around your home. I hope this was helpful in giving you some ideas on how you can use your crystals. Until next time, I wish you love and light.